Starts, guys. Let's start. So we have transportation stage 2, tab 5045. So at first, you see project type production or project info, right? There is three choices there. Since this project is transportation only, so don't fix on this, don't edit on this side or LAN, okay? So we need to do is just click only transportation, this one. Okay, as you can see, this is only our area or our label for transpo, as you can see that. Then outside the label of, right there, this one, you don't need to label this line, okay? Just ignore, just focus on the area where is the label. Okay, so we have the rules. Transpo image, this one. Fix error of median inside parking and no parking. Other than that, just ignore. Okay, guys. BOC, crosswalk, or anything outside the rules, just ignore. Gets? Everyone? On the transportation uh, part. Okay. So since this one is, we don't have any level to fix or any error to fix, this is fine. So let's proceed to control to the line image. Fix all lanes error like lane lines, stop line, traffic sign, miss ugly shape, fake. Ignore other error, even miss, unless it is ugly shape. Ignore all errors in private area. Like this one, this is a all private area. Okay. So even though there is a miss, ignore. This is not part of our rules. Okay. So control to transfer in lines image. Okay. So control to this one. So in control to, this is what we see. We can't edit this BOC, right? You can click that. Since our label is only lane, stop line, assist line, and traffic sign. So in this case, this map is uh, is perfect enough because there's a few label. Then we can submit this map. Okay. So let's submit first. Then proceed to another map. Then this one is semi-dense or dense area because there's a lot of road. As you can see, there's a lot of road. Then let's proceed to transportation. Let's click this one. Like that. Okay. Then this is what we see or what we look for. So transpo. So in transportation, focus only what you can see in the road. Specifically this error median, inside parking, and no parking. As I can said before or earlier, ignore other error. Okay? If it's not in the rules. So let's check if what we can see. This map. Okay. So a little bit laggy. So ignore this one, yellow domes, ignore yellow domes. Missing or captured by system, ignore. So this is fine. So as we can see, we didn't see any median, parking line, parking, inside parking and not parking, right? So all road. No crosswalk. So crosswalk is you can ignore also crosswalk. So if you see this if you make it confuse this one line, you can hide that line since we are in transpo, right? So you can see it clearly. Then I see a no parking area. Since there is no parking area this around this area, we can delete this. Simply delete. Okay? Then also it's ambiguous. As you can see, it's covered by trees, right? So proceed to checking. That's this. So crosswalk, check. Let's check. So crosswalk, yeah, you can also delete this since it's ambiguous, covered by trees. Or anyways, you can ignore since na it's reasonable. Okay, proceed to next. Okay. So it's clear. So no error or no fake label. So we can proceed to Control 2. Okay? So Control 2, just click Control 2. And let's go to line. We look for line. Okay? Lane, stop line, assist line. It's only 4 types of category that we are looking for this project on lines image. Okay, so as we can see here double solid line and single solid line, but we only have one category, only lane. We use only lane. As you can see, it's the same color, right? Even though it's different types of line. We have double solid and single solid white, double solid yellow, but we use only one category. It's lane. If you see any types of line in your map, just label it as lane. Okay? If none, then ignore or proceed to next. Okay? That's only the line I see in this map. No stop line, no traffic sign. Okay? Then we can submit this. Submit. Rito next map. Okay. So at first glance, I saw few road. There's a, I think this is a road. Pavement. Okay, that's pavement. Okay. Then select transportation. Okay. You don't need to edit this image, guys. Just select transpo. If you need or have to edit a level on this particular area, for example, the road, you need to edit this road because the road is ugly, then you proceed to mix polyg, so that once you fix the road, the other part is you can fix also. If you fix this part transpo only, the label you fix there is cause a topology afterwards. Okay, because for example, I fix this like that. In the mixed polygon, there is an overlap. As you can see, overlap, right? See, overlap. So if you need to fix the BOC, just proceed to, for example, like that. Just proceed to mixed polygon. In this area, in this image, you can fix everything, or you can hide or delete first, then edit this one, then put a grass like that, so you don't have any topo, right? If you control T, you see a topo. Just wait for a while. As you can see, there's a topo because you edit in transpo. You need to edit and makes polygon. If you see in a word shape, okay? Let's try to control. Okay, let's proceed. Okay. If you see the VOC guys that is missing, ignore. Okay, ignore if missing, inconsistent, ignore as long that the VOC looks like this word, okay, like that word shape, or like this one word shape, then you can edit that, okay. If miss, ignore it. It's in the error or this, ignore other error even miss unless it is ugly shape, right? Under this rules. Okay, let's proceed. And nothing to fix. Transfer to control 2. Is this good enough? And let's check if there is a line. Since there is no line, then submit. No traffic sign, no line, no stop line, then submit. That's as simple as that, okay? So transfer to another. So okay, then also this map, then transpo, proceed to transpo. Don't edit on this image guys, just transpo. Okay, transpo. So you can see transpo alone. Hide first the line. Okay, that's the way I fix. Hide first the line, then check this one, this corner. So there is no parking. Is this okay? Is this fine? Also this one. So okay. So if you want to add other, because I saw a line there, so no, it's also no parking, right? So if you want to fix, go to mix polygon. So you is this to make it easier to fix, right? So hide the VOC, hide the intersection, hide the road. Okay, then click this one to copy, to change this into no parking. Then use G tool. Okay, click. Oh, if not, then use it. Oh, okay, there's a little bit late. Okay, then adjust unmerge. That's enough. Then show all, press F4 if you have F4 in your keyboard, then back to transpo. Click Control 1 to hide the line image. So in this part we see ignore, this is not outside or inside. Ignore. Okay, so what is this? So fake, crosswalk, delete, and so we have let's edit this part. Let's hide first the VOC. Okay. Show VOC. Okay, no. Oh, ignore. Just ignore. Okay. So okay. no error, no fake. Okay, no lines. Maybe later we can pass this easily. Okay, crosswalk. Since there's no crosswalk, visible crosswalk, because they identify as crosswalk this electrical line. As you can see, the AI detect it is a crosswalk line, so they captured that. So we can simply delete. Then if there's no error anymore, let's proceed to, okay, there's another fake crosswalk, delete. And let's proceed to control 2, line image. Line image. So line image, tap into this one. Let's show this. Okay, line image. So there's a bicycle traffic sign. Okay, traffic sign. That's right. Then this one is a stop line. Then we cut this part. Also this one. This is only the stop line. So okay. Traffic sign. Missing traffic sign. Click. E-tool. Use e-tool. Then click, then drag like that. Traffic sign, that's good. Traffic, any types of traffic sign, there's only one label only. Okay, right? If you can see an arrow sign, it's only a traffic sign. Yes, that's correct. Okay, where's the other road? Okay, just follow the road. Okay, that's all. This one, let's delete this. We can identify that. So traffic sign, that's good enough. Okay, let's double check in the transpo. So this is 11 category road section, road overlap, BOC, medium, crosswalk, bump, solid, no parking, yellow. But we don't need that the others category. We don't need to use that in transpo. And we're all good now. Then submit. Last 2 maps, guys. Last 2 maps. So snap. What's the wrong on this? LAN. POC. Let's see what's wrong. Let's hide first. Okay. Okay. As you can see, the BOC and road is not properly. So let's drag this and use boundary clipper. Okay, then Control T. Oh, there's only. Oh, send this one. So need to snap this like that. Then boundary clipper. Okay, then submit. So zoom out. Then if you can see any road, then submit, guys. Okay. Okay, there's a road. This part. But we don't have see any line or traffic sign or median or what else? No parking or is a bike. So we can submit to automatically, ha? Oh, submit. Let's wait for a while. Fix topo, where is it? So miss. Oh, tap into road. Wait. Let's. Don't forget to change into mixed polygon. Why? Because if you're in transpo, then you feel this missing, the system will ask you that you need to draw inside the road. BOC draw inside the road. Okay? The system will ask you to draw BOC inside the road. So, in order to fix that, proceed to mix polygon, then hide BOC and add road so that the BOC is above the road. Okay? Then when after that we show the BOC, as you can see, there is two category, BOC and road, right? Because the BOC is above the road. Always BOC above the road. In that case only, but since we don't have case like that, just ignore. How come? Forest. So forest yellow dome. So you can delete this. So to fix the topo. It's okay to delete since that we don't need to capture yellow dome. Okay, so let's submit this map. Okay, so another map. As I can see this map, okay, there's a road, this one, and this one. So proceed to transpo. Okay. Transpo, then control 1 to hide the lane image. So okay, there is so this a big error. This one, no parking in the middle. So you can merge or you can delete. It's either. So let's merge. Let's merge. It's okay to delete. It's okay to merge. Okay. So again, median is this not a median. So delete this one and label this missing median. This is a legit median. Okay. So let's say in the mixed polygon. Okay, that's a median. In transpo, it's a median. So median, yes, and median. So this one is not a median. Then wait. Okay. So let's label this until this area. That one. Then put the median inside. Okay, again missing median. Use E tool, then space bar. Use E tool, then space bar like this. Press E tool or eagle in your keyboard, then click in the middle, then space bar. Okay, this one. Okay, that's all. That's all for the transpo. Then proceed to control 2. So line image. So line image, as you can see, this is a fake traffic sign. Okay, that's it. That's enough. Let's delete this. Okay, this is fake. Delete. Also this one, delete. As you can see in a painted line, right? No painted line everywhere. Okay, delete this. this one, I think this is a printed. Okay, just ignore that. Let, okay, faded. The line is faded, so repair, then connect. Let's Control T. Misfill again, misfill. Which part? LAN. What is missing? Okay, so let's cut this area and then fill. There's a little missing. Fine. What's missing? In the LAN, what's missing in LAN? So median. So we miss median. Okay, we miss mixed polygon, forest. Okay, median. Let's hide first the median. Let's put forest. Wait, where's the forest? Okay, right. Okay, that's good enough. This part is grass. Then Control T. Invalid geometry, where it is. Okay, invalid geometry. Let's cut. Okay, as you can see, there's a little level. Then, oh, OMG, it's a crash. What I did is one. So 13, this one, 80, so 79. Okay, let's submit. We're done fixing topos. Then submit. Okay, next proceed to map. Okay, then check transpo. Okay, missing median, right? Control 1. Label this as median. Okay. This one, no, that's not a median, very big. Crosswalk, that is fine. This is not median, guys. This one, median. Let's hide first the road. Okay, so this is median. Okay, this is median until here. Good. Then crosswalk, that's good enough. Fake crosswalk. Okay, that's median. Also, this one is a median. Let's see how long the median is. Okay, until the intersection. Okay. So median. Okay, let's do this first. Press G, S, how long is this? G, S, okay until until there. This is median. Alright, then let's cut this. Okay. And check. This is not no parking. Delete. That's not a no parking. Also this one, delete. That's a change lane. From there you can change lane the okay. That's not a median. Okay, that's good enough. Then let's proceed to line image. This one, median. Okay, median. Okay. Control 2. Okay, let's see this. So lane, traffic sign, that's good. That's good. That's good enough. Traffic sign, lane. Okay, then let's fix this and change into stop line. Until there. Stop line. Okay, also this stop line. Then lane line. This one, add point. Okay, then also this, let's add point. Let's pick this. Then traffic sign. Another traffic sign. Okay, let's delete this traffic sign. Fake traffic sign. Okay, this is a weird shape, so let's repair that. Then merge. This one delete. Also this one. Oh, what? Okay, no line. Delete. No line. Okay, no line. And that's enough. Let's fix this. So that's good. Then proceed to this one. So double line, delete the other. Let's fix this. Okay. Delete fake traffic. So this one, delete. And that's fine. So let's check this until there. Then use control, use boundary clipper. Okay. So this one, let's check this. And back to control 2. Okay, and we're done. Also, let's fix this also. Not yet. Hey. Repair. Then connect. Okay, that's good. Let's try to control T. If we see error or topo. Okay. Let's try to delete this. I don't see. Okay. Until there. That's good. And also missing traffic sign. This one is a traffic sign. Then we can submit. But first I need to control T to make it sure. So median line. Okay, so need, why is that? So Okay. So in order to fix, use J tool. Click this, and click in the center. Okay. As you can see, there is a label. So you only need to snap it properly. Okay. So use G tool. Click, then click in the middle of Y. Where's the okay, right here. Okay, yeah, you can see there's a label. Then let's fix this. Okay, connect it properly. So next, so also this one, so we need to cut this, delete, and use G tool. This one also G tool. Okay, this one G tool. And that's it. This one, delete together. So J, click again, J tool. Don't forget to use J tool. Click, so Ctrl T. So this one, how many? Okay, so until here. Okay, so let's use J tool and go until here, then J again, this one also J till here, then J sobra. Then okay, that's good. Let's delete this. Then connect. Okay, that's good. Well, just use J tool, guys, if you encounter like this topo. Okay, then we can submit. Okay, so let's put also this line, because I can see yellow line. Okay, then we can submit again. Topo, another topo in this map. Why I can see topo, valid, again invalid. Okay. So first we put this. Is this not up part and transpo? Okay, now it's fixed. Then submit. Okay, last map. Also submit. Let's submit this. We fixed this already. Okay, submit. So, any question, guys?